All right, welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us here on a Thursday evening. We're still dealing with some issues with that major storm out across the plains of the United States, the northern plains here, but a blizzard warning for most of North Dakota and South Dakota and eastern Montana. States 94 and 90 through North Dakota and then South Dakota shut down here because of blowing and drifting snow. I'll show the radar there in a second. But of course, we've had a little light snow. Some light snow continues along the Rocky Mountain front, Interstate 15, Craig through the Wolf Creek Canyon area. The radar doesn't always pick up the snow so well. It is snowing still right now around the Helena area. And then out across eastern Montana, you can see some of that snow. The heaviest of the accumulation is over with here. Some places were 20, 24 inches closer to the North Dakota border right there. But now we've got the wind that's blowing 30, 35 miles per hour, reducing visibility. And look at that storm. Look how the snow is actually working its way westward here. So we've got kind of the low pressure and rounds of snow rotating around that area of low pressure here. So blizzard warning again, eastern Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, northern Nebraska. And now part of that storm is actually reaching up into the northeast and New England under a winter storm warning. Okay, so here's what will happen. This is the wide range, long range computer model. And look at some of that snow continuing here tonight with the wind. Eastern Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and still a little snow into the mountains along the Rocky Mountain front, the little belts, the big belts through tonight. And tomorrow, don't expect a lot of sunshine here with maybe a little more snow along the Rocky Mountain front and into the central mountains. And off towards the north, that's the Arctic front that will be working its way southward. By the way, Saturday for the Bobcats game may be clearing, but there will be some snow, partly cloudy skies, and some wind there. But here across Montana, snow increasing from north to south through Saturday. Some of that snow will continue Saturday night and Sunday and Monday here, mainly in the northern half of the state. This Monday afternoon, still some snow, still a little lingering snow into Tuesday. We could have a heavier band of snow developing Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then a Pacific plume of moisture will continue with some snow for Thursday. Now, late next week, of course, we're getting into the holiday weekend. There may be a push of Pacific air with the moisture that may push some of the Arctic air off towards the north and the east. May even have a little rain out around Missoula by Thursday and Friday of next week. But we will have a lot of snow across the state. Here's the accumulation by Sunday, a few inches. Through Saturday into Sunday across the northern part of the state. Additional accumulation through Monday into Tuesday, and then Wednesday into Thursday. A lot of the state could see more than 6 inches of snow through the course of the weekend and next week. Maybe even more than a foot of snow in some areas. Tonight, some light snow, flurries, Great Falls, the Little Belt Mountains, the high woods as well. Cold north central Montana. Blizzard conditions east of Glasgow, closer to the North Dakota border. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy, a little light flurry activity along the Rocky Mountain front and out across the Little Belts and Big Belt Mountains. Difficult travel, eastern Montana into the Dakotas. Saturday, Arctic air starts spilling into the state. Light snow will be developing. Look at Sunday. Below zero for highs. Havre, Great Falls, Cut Bank, Helena, barely above zero for the high. And we still have areas of snow and Arctic air continuing into Monday of next week. Now, 7-day forecast may be popping up above the freezing point next Thursday. Of course, that could make for some sloppy conditions. But boy, it is going to be cold and snowy for most of the state leading to Christmas.